welcome back to my channel. Thanks a lot joining me. Um, I wish you guys had a great day. Happy Valentine's again. Today was a Valentine's Day. So anyway, let's talk about financing a car. So the best way for buying a car is cash. I mean, I recommend to buy a semi-economy car versus spending tons of money on an expensive car, because I've gone to that route and it was wrong. Anyway, the best way is first cash. If you can't do cash, go through your credit union, and credit unions are much better rate, and uh, it's better overall. But the only problem with the credit unions are they don't do expensive cars that much, uh, unless it's an RV. But the RV is a different type of financing. RV becomes like a house, so you can do financing for 15 years or 20 years. But car, right now they are doing, I think, like 7 years, which is another way they are really screwing people, because you are in the car loan for 7 years. You're ending up paying lots of money to it, and by the time your loan is finished, your car is finished. So the best financing for a car is a 3 to 4 years, nothing more than that. More than that, you're a loser. It's a simple thing. So you go to a credit union, apply, you get the approval, you take that approval for however amount of money, go to the dealer, negotiate with those guys, because those guys are the bloodsuckers. I mean, I really think most of the car dealers are just like, whatever. So if you can't do it through credit union, one of the good bank to finance the car is BAV, and they do expensive cars. I've done one of my Mercedes-Benz to BAV, and the rate was pretty darn good actually. Then you got US Bank. I wouldn't recommend Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is a bloodsucker in car dealing, because I've gone through Wells Fargo a long time ago, and I basically got screwed, but I ended up paying the car off like in 6 months, so it didn't really matter. Then, and if you end up not being able to get the financing directly from the bank, you're going to end up going to a dealer, and the dealer is going to jack up the price for a 1 point or 1.5 point. And they say they don't, but trust me, they do it the way that nobody can figure it out. I mean, they slipped in that contract somehow, because the dealer makes about a 1 point or 1.5 point from your financing. And but I had dealers that they did that to me. But they have like I have to pay the bank for 3 months before they get their money. I end up paying the bank in 2 weeks. I bought the car, financed it in 2 weeks. I paid it off. Boom. They lost money on my transaction. But I'm sorry. Any events, banks are there to make money. You just got to make sure you're getting the best rate, and the best rate is going to be based on your credit. You higher credit score, you're better off. I'm sure you all know that. If you have a credit score of 760, 770, you're all set. You're going to get the best rate. I mean, credit score also, it depends on what type of a car loan you had in the past. If you didn't have a car loan in the past, you have a 770 score, still you're not going to get the rate, because they don't know what kind of experience they have with your car loan, because you need to prove them, you were able to handle $100,000, $50,000, $70,000 car loan. If it's your first time, really credit score doesn't matter that much. Anyway, comment below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to answer. And have a great day. I wish you guys the best and happy Valentine's. Even though I'm wearing an orange one, but it still is a Valentine's Day. So thanks a lot and cheers to everybody.
Hey, baby.
Wanna go? Come on, let's go. What are you doing? What's going on? What are you doing? What? Oh, kiss, kiss. Good boy.
You are a good boy.
You want a kiss?
Yeah. Was that my kiss?
Okay.